Welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to mass follow users on Threads using the OFM bot. Before we begin, go to the account management section and add your Threads accounts into the software. Make sure to attach a unique proxy to each account. This keeps your IP addresses separate and your actions safe. Now go to the seeding thread feature inside the software, then choose seeding by account. Next, copy and paste the list of usernames you want to follow. Make sure each username is on a new line. Besides following, the tool also supports auto-like and auto-comment on Threads posts. For example, my current Threads account has just 2 followers. Let's see what this bot can do. I'll load the account, configure the follow, like, and comment options, then hit start. The bot will open browser windows, assign proxies, and begin following, liking, and commenting as configured. And that's it, you've just learned how to grow your Threads account automatically with the OFM bot. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more automation guides.